In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture email IDs of respondents automatically in Paperform. This process is essential for anyone who wants to efficiently gather contact details from their form respondents, ensuring that communication can continue beyond just the form submission. Whether you're running a survey, accepting event registrations, or setting up a simple contact form, this will make sure you never miss collecting those all-important email addresses. Firstly, you'll need to open your form in edit mode. You can do this by logging into your Paperform account and navigating to the form you want to modify. Once you're in, it's time to add a new question that will prompt users to enter their email addresses. Click on the Add Question button to get started. This action will allow you to insert a new field into your form. Next, you'll want to choose the question type. For capturing email addresses, select short text. This might seem a bit counterintuitive, but don't worry. There's an extra step to make sure it's set up correctly for email input. Once you've added the short text field, take a look at the right sidebar where you'll see an option to change the question type. Make sure you update this from its default setting to email. Doing this ensures that the input will be correctly validated as an email address and not just any string of text. Now that your question is prepared to accept email inputs, it's helpful to guide respondents clearly so they know exactly what you're asking for. To do this, rename the label of your question to something clear and straightforward like your email address. This simple change will provide clarity to anyone filling out your form, making it more likely that they'll complete it without hesitation. To ensure that every respondent provides their email, it's crucial to make this question mandatory. Find the toggle option marked Required and switch it to the All-In position. By doing this, you're ensuring that submissions cannot be completed without the email field being filled out, significantly reducing the risk of missing important contact information. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button and give it a click. This ensures all your updates are stored and that the form is ready to collect email addresses automatically as responses come in. And there you have it. You now know how to set up your Paperform to automatically capture respondents' email addresses. This small tweak will streamline your data collection process and create a direct line of communication with everyone who engages with your form. If you follow these steps, you're well on your way to more efficient and effective form management. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.